Snoring can be mild, which can occur due to nasal congestion from a cold or tiredness from a stressful day. But if you are dealing with a chronic snoring problem, how do you cure it? As explained previously, snoring can be the result of several different causes. In order to completely eliminate snoring, you will first need to find out what the root problem is. Eliminating snoring is possible through several facets. Mild snoring could be beaten by a simple bedtime adjustment or lifestyle changes. However, for more severe snoring problems, more invasive medical intervention may be required.